Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall Google Chrome from your MacBook Air. And to do this, you should be able to find your Google Chrome in Go and Applications. Here it is, there's even two of them. And to remove them, we'll need to identify what's our secondary click, and for me it's it works by clicking in the bottom right corner of the touchpad. But if you want to identify yours, then go here and select the trackpad. Then here is a secondary click. You can identify how your one works. Now select the Google Chrome, hover over it, and then make the secondary click. Here you should be able to remove it, so move to the bin. Let's do the same with this one. Now only thing left to do is to empty a bin like that, and the app should be removed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.